all to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max, chapter 11, areas related to circles. So in the old book, it is chapter 12. So as per new syllabus, chapter 11, construction in old book is deleted. So completely deleted. Construction chapter is completely deleted. And so in the new book, chapter 11 comes areas related to circle. So as per old book, chapter 11, construction is completely deleted. So in new book we have chapter 11 as areas related to circles. Okay children. So chapter 11 construction in old book is deleted. So new book in chapter 11 this area related to circle jumped to chapter 11. So as per old book chapter 12 is areas related to circle. So in old book chapter 12 is areas related to circle. In old book we have only one exercise. 12.2 is included. Remaining 12.1 and 12.3 are deleted. Okay. So these two exercise are deleted. The only exercise is 12.2 as per old book. So in new book we have only one exercise 11.1. So I am following the new book. So it is chapter 11 areas related to circles. Okay, okay children. So note these points. Now let us get into the session. In this section we are going to see about introductory part. So what do you mean by circle? Circle is nothing but a round shape. So in the circle we have the center. So center is O. So we can draw a line passing through the center. So if we draw a line passing through the center, it touches the circle at 2 points. So this line is called the diameter. Okay. So from the center to one end of the circle and from the center to another end. So this is the diameter of the circle. So in the same way, from the center, if we draw a line to one end, then it is called the radius. So radius is nothing but half of diameter. So this is diameter. So radius can be written as d by 2. D by 2. Radius is denoted by r. So r is equal to diameter by 2 or diameter equal to 2 times r. So this is also radius. From the center to the circumference is called the radius. From the center to the circumference is called the radius. So diameter is r plus r, which is 2r. So radius equal to half of diameter. Only one part is there. So it is half of diameter. Next one is, what do you mean by chord? So chord is nothing but it doesn't pass through the center. So it touches the circle at 2 points, but it doesn't pass through the center. So if it doesn't pass through the center and touches the circle at 2 points, then it is called chord. Okay children. Next one, circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle is nothing but, so this length, this yellow line is called the circumference of the circle. So this is the circumference of the circle. So if we measure, it is nothing but 2 pi r. So it is 2 into pi can take the value 22 by 7 or 3.14. So whichever is given in the question, you can apply that. Pi can take the value 22 by 7 or 3.14. So radius will be given. If diameter is given, you can divide by 2 and find out the radius. So this is the circumference of a circle. Next one, area of the circle. So what area occupied by the circle? It's nothing but pi r square. So apply the value of pi 22 by 7 or 3.14 then it is r square. R square is nothing but you have to multiply r 2 times r into r. So find out the value of r from the question and apply it, and you have to multiply. So you know the formula from 9th or 10th, 8th standard, circumference and area of a circle. So in the next page, we are going to see what do you mean by sector. So sector is nothing but area enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. So now look at this picture. There is a circle. So this is the center point. So from the center point, I have drawn a radius. So OA is one radius and OB is another radius. So this two radius occupies this area. So with this arc, AB and radius OA and OB, there is an area. So this is the sector. So area enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. So this shaded portion is the sector. Okay, so let us mark a point in this sector as P. Outside this as Q. So what do you mean by that? So this is nothing but minor sector. OAPB is the minor sector. This unshaded portion is also a sector. It is major sector. So if it is given just as sector, it means minor sector. Okay, so there is no word minor or major. It's given only as sector. Then it denotes the minor sector. So this is the angle of the sector. Angle AOB is the angle of the sector. Let us denote this as theta. So let us read the points. OAPB is a sector of the circle with center O. So OAPB is the sector of the circle with center O. AOB is called the angle of the sector, unshaded region. OAQB is also a sector. So its name is OAPB is called the minor sector. OAQB is called the major sector. So angle of the major sector. So we denoted the angle of the minor sector as theta. So this full angle makes 360 degree. So the complete angle is 360 degree. This complete angle makes 360 degree. So the remaining will be the angle of the major sector. So it is nothing but 360 degree minus angle AOB. So 360 degree minus angle AOB. Angle AOB is theta. So from 360 degree, if we subtract theta, we will get the angle of the major sector. So angle of the minor sector is we denoted as theta. Okay. Now we have to find out the area of the sector OAPB. So it is nothing but it is a part of a circle. Circle area, it is one of the part. It is part of a area of a circle. So it is nothing but theta by 360 into area of the circle, pi r square. So theta by 360 into pi r square is the area of sector. Area of sector means it denotes minor sector. So area of sector of angle theta is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Next we have to find out the length of the arc. So this arc AB. So if you want to find out the length of the arc, it is one of the part of a circumference of this circle. So what is the formula for circumference? It is 2 pi r. You have to multiply it by theta by 360. This is the length of an arc AB of sector of angle theta. So it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay children, do you understand about the sector? So sector is nothing but area enclosed by two radii and this arc. Okay, so the arc between the two radii and the area subtended by OA and OB is called the sector. So sector means in default it denotes minor sector. The remaining sector is called major sector. Its angle is 360 degree minus theta. Theta is the angle of the minor sector. So major sector angle is complete angle 360 degree minus theta. So if you want to find out the area of the major sector, instead of theta you have to apply 360 minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Children, do you understand about sector? So in the next page, we will see about segment. Segment, what do you mean by that? Area between the chord and the corresponding arc is called the segment. So chord is nothing but it doesn't pass through the center. So center point is O. Chord does not pass through the center. So AB is the chord. So area enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc. So this is the corresponding arc. So this is the area of the segment. So this is the minor segment and the remaining segment is called major segment. So let us take a point P in minor segment and Q in major segment. So APB is the minor segment, AQB is the major segment. So how do we find the area of the minor segment? So for this we need a sector. To form a sector, we have to draw the radius OA, OB. So OAPB is the sector. So from the sector, if we delete this triangle, we will get the remaining as segment. So area of minor segment APB is nothing but area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So we need this segment. So from whole sector, we have to take out the triangle. We have to take out the triangle. So if we take out the triangle, we will get the area of this segment. Okay, children? So area of minor segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So we know the formula. Area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Either you can apply 1 by 2 r square sin theta or half BH. So if you know the base and height, you can apply this formula, or if you know the theta between 0 degree to 90 degree, you can apply this formula 1 by 2 r square sin theta to find the area of the triangle OAB. So this is the way you have to find out the area of minus segment. So if you know the area of minus sector and minus segment, then you can easily find out the area of major sector. So what is the area of major sector? From the full circle area, if we take out the minor sector area, then we will get the major sector area. So area of major sector OAQB is nothing but from the area of the circle pi r square. If we take out area of, this is minor sector. So if we take out area of minor sector OAPB, then we will get the area of major sector OAQB. In the same way, we can find out the area of major segment AQB. So from the circle, we draw a chord. So this is the minor segment. So the remaining is the major segment. So from the area circle, so if we take out this minor segment, we will get the remaining as major segment area. So area of major segment AQB is nothing but pi r square minus area of minor segment APB. So from the complete area, if we take out the minor segment APB, then we will get the major segment AQB's area. Okay. So these are the introductory part. So you have to remember the formula. Area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So these are the two important formulas in this chapter. Okay, children, do you understand the introduction? In the next session, we will discuss about the example problems. Thank you.